So hello folks, a very good morning to all the viewers who are watching my video at present. So I am from the team of SNIS Land with Integrity. So in this video analysis we'll be having a clear explanation regarding how actually India is pointifying चाइना एज वेल एज रूसिया इन डिफरेंस विथ यूएसए। जैसे कि हम मान लेते हैं, अगर मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल के रूप में अगर मैं प्रोविज़न करूँगा या फिर प्रोवाइड करूँगा, आई एम द पर्सन, ओके, लेट मी कंसिडर अ पर्सन और अ मैन, सो हु इज़ कीपिंग रिलेशनशिप विथ माई loved one. Okay, so if my loved one is not at all liking my parents, definitely the relationship between me and my parents get affected. In the similar fashion, if my parents do not like my loved one with my friends, definitely my relationship will get affected. So in the similar fashion, let me consider the man as India, the rest are other countries. Okay, तो इसी के रूप में अगर हम देखेंगे तो डिफरेंट बायलैटरल रिलेशनशिप कैसे यूजुअली मेंटेन करेंगे विद रेफरेंस टू चाइना एज वेल एज विद रेफरेंस टू द रूसिया एज वेल एज यूएस। तो जैसे कि मान लेते हैं, एज वी नो दैट यूक्रेन क्राइसिस विच इज़ बीइंग गोइंग ऑन इन द थर्ड फेज वेयर द डिसमिसिंग ऑप्शन, तो डिसमिसिंग ऑप्शन का पहला स्ट्रैटेजी है कौन जीतेगा। सो whether Ukraine will succeed in opposing the Russian troops, or Russia will definitely conquer the Ukraine's two domain nations, so domain districts, or we can say states. So these plays a very crucial role when we discuss about how the strategic improvement, or we can say that New Delhi for at least 3 regions. What are the 3 regions? इसमें दिया है Ukraine war में accurate limit of number of option available to New Delhi for at least 3 regions. What are the 3 regions? Russia as a key strategic partner is no longer available to India for balancing purpose. So, arguable into the 3rd month of Ukraine invasion, Moscow is more dependent on India today than other way too. The twos, or we can say that second number is Russia sudden absence from the Asian balance of power equation has further enhanced China's influence in the region. By the time the war ends, whatever may be the shape of global balance of power, the regional balance of power would be inevitable. So this is how actually it works, right? So when it comes under the dependence of how actually we see India's biggest dilemma about the countries who are persisting as a mediator with India, as we know that, because जैसे कि हम जानते हैं इंडिया एक मीडिएटर के रूप में काम कर सकता है, मीडिएटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ strategic relation between both the western as well as eastern nations, as well as the Russia, as well as the Asia's most powerful nations too, where Russia plays a very crucial in the oil export deals, as well as in export and import duties, as well as in economical relationship too. So when we discuss about growing China's challenge, it becomes a matter of discussion whenever the Russian troops get into effect, in the form of inavailability to India's power. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं रूसिया अगर inavailable हो गया इंडिया को, definitely the consumption of China's troops will definitely conquer the India's LOC or LAC, line of actual control. So that becomes a matter of discussion when we discuss about growing China's challenge or going China's challenges with the war, as the external minister who has already had a meet with the foreign minister of Chinese foreign minister, that is Wang Yi. So उसमें भी दिया गया है कि एक्सचेंज एंड इम्पोर्ट ड्यूटीज एज वेल एज बिजनेस कंटिन्यूटी को कैसे मेंटेन करेंगे, उसी के बारे में यूजुअली चर्चित किया गया है, एज देर इज़ न्यू एज वी नो दैट द डिसीजन ऑफ नरेंद्र मोदी with the Paris summit which is going to happen soon. So that becomes a matter with how actually India is viewing China's impact as well as concern. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट ग्रोइंग चाइनाज चैलेंज इज. सो उसके बाद अगर देखेंगे एक्सप्लोटिंग चाइना रूसिया टाइज. सो एक्सप्लोटिंग चाइना रूसिया टाइज के मतलब यही है कि अगर रूसिया अगर मेंटेन करेगा टाई between both China and India, definitely both the country will have a great challenges in economy as well as great challenges in their regulating bodies. So regulating bodies का मतलब यही है कि अगर रूसिया हट गया, definitely it becomes a matter of discussion with these two neighbor countries. अगर रूसिया ही अगर मीडिएटर बन गया इन दोनों कंट्री में, definitely the relation between these two neighboring countries will be more stronger than ever. So this is what the effect of exploiting China-Russia tie is. Then after consolidating Kashmir claim. So Kashmir claim is just like how actually the Pak nation has been viewing and how actually the relation between China and Pak is, and most of the things which are interdependent with each other is just like जैसे कि हम मानते हैं POK जो है, okay, so POK जो है very affecting nation in the form of regulating bodies, in the form of how actually they see the neighbor countries too. So it becomes a matter of discussion when we discuss about the LOC disputes as well as China's India and Russia relationship with geopolitical history. Okay, so let me end the video here itself. Thank you.